Hello and welcome to another Hexbooks videos. Today there will be a lot of typing, so if you don't like typing, this is not the video for you. But you're watching this video because you want to have a walk through it and figure out how to pass this module. Well, pass one of the modules on this module, on Linux Fundamentals. Find files and directories. Find. We'll be typing find a lot of times. The way they show you how to do it, yeah, you can do it. But I'm going to show you the way it will be much more easier for you. So after you spawned everything logged into your SSH account, I'm thinking about using my Kali Linux Raspberry Pi 5 in a minute because this is so laggy today, which is so annoying. You're going to understand in a minute. So the first thing they're asking us to do is what is the name of the config file that has been created after 200303 and is smaller than 28K but larger than 25K. So we're gonna write some commands. So get ready. Okay. So we're gonna type in find. See, this is what I mean. I already typed that out, and it's boom laggy. Don't know why. Really annoying. We're gonna do whack, whack, type f, whack name. I'm gonna do this. Vape's annoying me. This start.con. Come on, load. Thank you. Size. What's the size? Was it 25? Yeah. Cool. 25K. No, not LK. 25K, but it's newer. MT. Newer MT. Don't forget that. 2020. Really type. What happened? There we go. Jesus. Okay. Okay, then we're going to do. But come on. There we go. Space. We're going to make sure we have the exact one. So we do EX, EC. Then we can do LS. Then we do AL. And then we're going to do these weird commas. Then we're going to do reverse whack. So it's whacking the other way, I guess. And then these, and then so it doesn't show us the errors and stuff like that. We're going to do to parrot, I think it's called. Dev no def null. That should be like a dubstep name. But yeah, that should be it. Right, let's see what it shows us. Sweet. Okay. So as you can see here, if we didn't put this in, you'd literally access denied, blah blah blah, and it'll literally go. You still get your answer, but you're gonna have such a long list to look through. This just makes it much more quicker and easier. But yeah. So when you type this in, it's gonna like reject all the errors, and you're gonna go the ones which you have permission for. So the answer is for this. It's right here. Copy it, paste it, both submit it, and you're done. Right. Next one. How many files exist on the system that have their .back? Okay, so basically backup file. So that shouldn't be too difficult. So we're going to do similar to what we did earlier. We're going to do find whack. We're going to specify type F. We're going to do name. We're going to do that style. We're going to do back. And we're going to do the null thing so we don't really errors. Work dev. Cool. We're going to do that pipe because we want to pipe it up. Words. Then we're going to do L. Press enter. Give it a moment. And the answer's 4. If you didn't do this, like, actually, I'll show you guys so you understand what I'm all about. If you didn't do that, then, you know, this is what you're going to go through if you don't specify that key. But at the end of the day, you still get your answer, which is 4. But as you can see, just doing the to dev null and then buff that thing, and it see it straight gives you the answer instead of going through all that extra code. Right. So you're gonna just type 4, submit it. There's your answer. Next, we're gonna do submit the full path of the XSD binary. So we know it's a binary, right? So we're gonna type. What's wrong with me today? Right. So we're gonna type in find whack user whack. I can see here police bin. Not for me. I go type f name and a star. Specify XSD. What does it come up with? Ah, perfect. Sick, awesome. And there's your answer. As simple as that. I know it wasn't simple. You have to do this, but if you read through, follow step by step, yeah, it could work. But some of it, they literally get off topic. So yeah, this is how you do it, and then submit. Boom, awesome days. Right, so this is how you find your files, find files in the directories. Hopefully this video helped you and you have completed this section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.